Luto tayo guys ng lugaw. Ayan. Meron akong garlic, onion, pamienta, black pepper, at saka patis, ginger, at saka may sweet rice. That is sweet rice at saka yung rice sa may egg and then chicken. Then I make chicken. I make lugaw. Ayan. This is chicken without bones. Ayan. So, that is the bones. Hindi ko nilagay yung bones niya. Tinanggal ko. Ayan. Gagawa tayo ng lugaw, guys. Ayan. Lugaw. Sweet rice with egg.